How to turn off save passwords on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off save passwords on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here, and then click here this settings icon, and then just go down until you find this one, advanced, and click on it, and now you will see save passwords here, and then all you need to do is just one click, and as you see save passwords has been turned off. And that's how to turn off save passwords on Opera Mini, and that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.